Then she said it. I'm leaving you. I exhaled slowly, more out of amusement than anything else. There was a time when those words would have broken me, when I would have begged her to stay, to reconsider. But now they felt like an overdue ending to a story I should have closed a long time ago. I smiled, a genuine smile, then I got up from my seat, walked into the bedroom, and came back with a stack of neatly arranged papers. I placed them on the table in front of her, and slid them across. Perfect, I said, my voice steady and controlled. I already prepared the paperwork.
Third color, this is a persimmon color, which is kind of orange color, and then wiping everything off again and applying mask.
She hadn't expected this. She stared at the papers, then at me, searching for some kind of reaction she could
See
use
what's
against
actually
me. But there was
happening on the
nothing, just
CNC
calm.
when there's a bit of
And then,
contrast there.
bing
So
bong.
I'm not actually
I heard
painting
snap
anything
toward
here,
the door.
but it's there
She
just
wasn't
to show you.
And get it screwed to the workbench and make sure that everything's square so that the sign sits straight. Now that that's done, we have